Good morning students, myself Smriti ma'am, and today I will teach you chapter 5 presentation software with special effects. So students, today's topics are, first one is starting PowerPoint 2010, second creating a presentation using built-in templates, and next one is changing the background. So students, let's start the chapter. Firstly, let's learn about what is PowerPoint presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint is a component of MS Office suite which is used to create simple and appealing presentation. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a component or a part of a MS Office package, which is used to make simple and good presentations. Next, PowerPoint gives you the images, clip arts, sounds, colors, designed and animated special effects. So all these effects are given in PowerPoint presentation, and so that it makes your presentation very appealing and beautiful. Next point, a presentation is made up of collection of slides arranged in a sequence. So presentation is a group or a collection of slides which are arranged in a sequence in a manner. Next, a slide is like a page in a presentation that displays a brief information you want to communicate with your audience. So each slide of a presentation gives a brief information, so that you can easily communicate with your audience. Here, next, these slides are grouped together in a sequence to form a slideshow. So what is a slideshow? A slideshow is a group of slides arranged in a sequence. Next, a slide show is an electronic presentation displayed on a computer screen one by one. So what is slideshow? Is an electronic presentation which can be displayed on a computer screen one by one. Students, for example, now you're watching a video which is also made in PowerPoint presentation. You can see the slides are changing one by one. So this video is also a slideshow which I have made in a PowerPoint presentation, and each slide is giving you some information, and I'm connecting with you people so that I can explain you the chapter. Our first topic is starting PowerPoint 2010. So now we will see how to start a PowerPoint presentation in a computer. First step is to click Start button. Second step is click All Programs. Third, click Microsoft Office. And last is click Microsoft PowerPoint. Students, you can see in the picture above, these steps are marked in pink color. First, you have to click Start button which is marked in pink 1. Second, All Programs marked in 2. Third, click Microsoft Office marked 3. And last step, click Microsoft PowerPoint is marked in 4. So these are the 4 steps to start PowerPoint presentation in a computer. Next topic is creating a new presentation using built-in templates. Students, in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, we are having built-in templates which we use in creating new presentations. Okay, let's see how it is done. A template is a pre-designed presentation that includes custom formatting and designs. It can save a lot of time and effort when starting a new presentation. So these templates are pre-designed. Okay, so they are designed before, which includes custom formatting, means you can edit these templates and designs. Okay, and it saves a lot of time to make a new presentation. You can make easily a new presentation with the help of built-in templates. Okay, so to create a new presentation using the built-in templates, follow the steps. First step, click the File tab. The Backstage view will appear. Second, select New. You can see in the picture below, first step is to click the File tab, which is highlighted in orange color. Okay, when you will click the File tab, the Backstage will appear. Backstage view will appear on your screen. Then second step, what you have to do, you have to select New. Next step, under Available Templates and Themes, do the following. First, select a sample template, for example, Introducing PowerPoint 2010. Okay. Next, click on Create button. The selected template will open as a new presentation on your screen. Next, this new presentation contains 20 slides, illustrating different slide layouts, backgrounds, themes, etc. Okay, next step, now you can add text in the placeholder of each slide and view the slideshow. Okay, so what do you have to do? You have to first select the sample template. Okay, you can see in the first picture, okay, yellow highlighted icon you can see. Okay, so that is a selected sample template. When you will select, you have to click the Create button. Okay, and this will create your new presentation. Okay, in the second picture you can see it is a edited slideshow, a slide presentation. Okay, you can see different slides. Okay, so each templates are having at least 20 slides and having different layouts, backgrounds and themes. You can see in the picture. Okay, and it is having different placeholders where you can edit and you can write the text. Okay, and you can view the slideshow. Our next topic is changing the background. Now we will see how to change the background of a slide. We can change the background of a slide and make it more attractive. The background can be filled with a color, pattern, picture or a shaded effect. Okay, so students, we can change the background of a slide and we are having different options, like we can fill it with color, we can fill it with a pattern or a shaded effect. Okay, so now let's see how to change the background. Follow the steps. First one, click on the slide that you want to add a background to. Okay, so students, what you have to do, you have to select the slide in which you want to add a background. Second step, on the Design tab, in the Background group, click on the Background Styles. Okay, given the picture below. First, what you have to do, you have to click the Design tab, then you have to go to the Background group, and from there you can select our background styles. Okay, by clicking on it. Clear? Third step, click on the Format Background. The background of a slide can be filled with a solid color, shaded effect, pattern or a picture. You can see in the picture below there is an option given at the last. Click on the Format Background. When you will click it, you will get various options with a, so that you can select from there. If you want a solid color, you can choose solid color. If you want shaded effect, you can get a shaded effect, or a pattern or a picture. Okay. Thank you so much students for today. We are going to end our class here and we'll continue our chapter in the next week.